Hey guys, it's Sam the Purse Addict here. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a new video for you guys today. I had a request to do a what fits inside my Gucci backpack, and then I also had a request a few months ago about what fits in my Chanel Vanity. So I'm gonna do that. I'm sorry, I'm gonna combine them here for you guys just because I don't feel it necessary to make two different videos doing the same thing. So I have gathered up a lot of my belongings on different size things that I typically carry inside my backpack or my handbag, and I'm gonna show you guys what fits. Before I get into it and show you guys what fits in these bags, I do want to apologize to the people who did request this. I am so sorry that it took so long to make this video. I'm constantly on the struggle bus. But no, yeah, I am sorry. Like, I don't, yeah, there's no words. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's do the Gucci backpack first. This is my Gucci Supreme B mini backpack. I'm pretty sure it's the mini size. Super cute. Haha, sparkly. Has the little bees all over it. Love that detail though. I've had this about almost 2 years now. I got it in New York in 2018 and it has been one of my favorite purchases. I usually use it as, like, I carry it like this, so as a top handle. The backpack itself, like, or the straps are really comfortable and super flexible. The bottom has like this leather detailed, or I guess textured bottom, so it doesn't show scratches, and it's held up really well. It is all leather lined around the seams, and this is the front pocket. It has the little pink micro suede here, or micro something suede. I don't know what it is, but it's soft. And then here's the big compartment. It's so hard to show you guys, I swear. It has two card holders here, and then it has a zipped compartment in the back, which goes all the way to the bottom, super big, and holds a lot. So the first thing I have is my iPad mini. This is old, and I don't know what it is other than a mini, so don't ask. Sorry. But this fits in there. And then I grabbed two different makeup bags to share with you guys. So I have a larger one here, and then I have my mini pochette here. They look similar in size, but the Gucci one holds much more. And when I use this backpack, I tend to use this one. So that fits just perfectly right at the bottom. It's perfectly splendid. Have you guys watched The Haunting of Bly Manor? I freaking love that show. Okay, so anyway, it fits in there. Also, I grabbed two different size wallets to share with you guys. So I have my largest one in my collection and then my smallest one in my collection. So I'll show you the largest one. Obviously, the small one will fit, but the largest one also fits perfectly in there, as you can see. And what else? We got some tissues. And then my phone I could just throw in the front pocket. Actually, let's throw the tissues in there because it is cold season and COVID season. All right, there you guys go. I also grabbed a water bottle to show you. Make sure that cap's on tight. But that fits as well in there. So it holds a ton, and now it's super heavy because I have all that in there, so that's good. Getting a workout. But yep, so water bottle, iPad mini, large wallet, large makeup case, phone, and tissues. All right, so that is my Gucci backpack. Okay, the next bag that has been requested was my Chanel Vanity. This is the medium size in dark turquoise. It's very stunning. I love it. It's so beautiful. I can't stop staring at it. But this, of course, will not fit most of these items that I have here. It is small on the inside, so it has two sections, and then there's a center little zipped pocket, and then on the back there's also a zipped compartment that holds literally nothing. So This does not fit, obviously. It's like the size of the bag, so we're not even gonna try that. I have my mini pochette, which is what I typically use when I use this bag, so that does fit right back there. Keys, I always carry my keys. We'll put some tissues right next to the keys. My phone, I usually just kind of throw either in the back or the front, one of them, whatever one. So I have it right there. My card holder, because although this fits, it takes up the whole slot, so there's no point. So my keys, or my wallet fits right up there. I got my tissues, my keys, my phone, my mini pochette. Let's throw some glasses in there up top. What else? I think that should be good. So let's zip her up, and she fits, and she's not puffy. So that was all of that stuff. So it holds a good amount. If you're like me and you don't carry everything, then you'll be fine. But you could even put like a little bit of a bigger wallet in here. So like the small Chanel zip arounds will fit perfect, or the classic, what's it called, card holder with the flap, that'll fit well in here too. I mean, you could fit a big wallet in here. I'm gonna take my keys and this out, but I'll show you guys. It takes up the whole spot. So now, I mean, I could still fit these in here, just lay them on top like so, or my keys, or you know, like that. Okay, yeah, but you wouldn't be able to zip it. That's like too much. So I wouldn't recommend that, just because the integrity of the bag, you wanna, you know, not overstuff it. So, okay, so now let's get into the fun part, or fun for me. My reveal of my new handbag. I purchased this last week from Fashion File. It is pre-loved, and it is the Grandma Dream Bag. So beautiful. All right, are you guys ready? If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen this. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably should, because we have a lot of fun there. But anyway, let's reveal it. Ta-da! Did you guys see my last, I think it was one of my last videos where I said, that is one ugly bag, and this was on my list. And I told you guys I would get one, and ta-da! I got one. So this is the small size Gucci Marmont bag. This is in blue velvet with the floral appliques and the little Bambi at the top. How freaking cute. It has antiqued gold hardware, and it is just stunning. I freaking love it. And then there's a cute little heart on the back. Sorry, there's also cat hair everywhere because cat hair is life. The inside is a blue leather with a hot pink interior, satin or suede, no, not suede, satin, I think that's what it is. Hot pink satin. So freaking cool. This is my fun bag. I really love it. I love just looking at it. It seriously makes me so happy. It's fun, it's bright, it's unique, and not everyone has it. I've never really been, I know I'm gonna get hate for this, I've never really been a fan of the Marmont bags, like the flap shoulder bag. I used to have a Marmont bag like way back in the day, and I really loved that bag. But the shoulder bag I never really cared for. And then I saw it in velvet, and I was like blown away how beautiful it was. And then I saw it in velvet with the appliques, and I was just like, this bag was literally made for me. I need it. And now I have it, and I love it. So I know that this is not for everyone, and a lot of people are not gonna like this bag, and you know what? That is okay. You do you. I'll do me, and this makes me happy, and that's what matters. Yeah, anyway, I just wanted to share my excitement with you guys. So I hope you have a great one. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you pretty soon, I think. Bye.